Hello everybody, here's Danish Engine 22 again, and today I'm doing more JJJ train haul. Okay, so comment below hashtag JJJ. Okay, if you don't hashtag it, then get out. Okay, so I'm gonna write all of this Thomas and Friends, but there's no Tommy or Playreal, but they're rolling stock, and they are all Bandai ones, so I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna unwrap them all. Yeah. Okay, so I have unwrapped them all. First, let's look at this top connection station. You see, has a sound. So here's the battery. I just put the battery, and I turn it on, and nothing happened. When I touch the button, yes, it works. Just only say that. I couldn't put Terrence inside. This is for Trevor in the top connection series. I can put Thomas here. This is for Terrence, but I don't have Terrence. Next is Happy Meal. Last year's Happy Meal Thomas. I don't have the Thomas one. I have Percy, Hero, and Harold. Yeah, I don't have Thomas, so it's I have to get one in its collection. Next is Bill and Ben. This is a Nakayoshi Bandai Bill. It's still in good condition, but no side rust. Yeah. And next is the Capsule Playreal Ben. Yeah, it still works. It's a 2016 one. And the Capsule Ben came with this small red coach, and that is a Bandai Terrence. You know why I bought another Bandai Terrence? Because this Terrence can move. It's not run pretty well. Oh, no, don't know. Guys, and not Tommy Terrence not even moving. And this one can move a bit. It came with this kind of I don't know. Next is a Nakayoshi Bandai Diesel 10. Back condition, no front buffers, no front coupling. Great at the back, and no pinchy. I can make pinchy of it. It's easy. Next is two wooden Bandai duck. You know why I bought two? Because one, I want to change into Tank Engine 75. But however, this wooden duck is falling apart, so I have to fix it. But I can fix this duck, and not even that. This duck can run on Tommy tracks. Thank goodness it has a front coupler like Tommy did. And also this duck came with this wooden train. I can make this for Woodney's brother. Next is a Bandai Magnet Oliver. Lost front coupling, no. Lost front wheel, no side rods. But however, this is in good condition. I have Mavis one over there. It's easy. At least I get this because it's good to have Oliver. I think Oliver is rare now. Yeah, I'm gonna get him a wheel. Next is Capsule Playreal Victor. I think this is a metallic Victor. It's 2016 one. And he came with these two minis. And here is this is Paxton. I don't know what he's custom of. And this is Percy out of Tiger. And the Monster Incorporated truck, I guess, but it came with this Capsule Annie, and I want to get Toad, so here's Toad for Oliver. I think this is a metallic one. This is the 2013, and next is the Bandai Nakayoshi Bandai Emily Lost Funnel. I can fix that. Good connect. Nice. No back coupling. Poor. Next, another Bandai Nakayoshi Bandai Percy. You know I already have a Percy over there. Is the reason why I bought this because I need to use to make a wheel for Oliver. But however, this side of Percy don't have Saras, but this side have. Kind of weird. Next is the Playrail Green Express. I think this is a tape up here. Good need condition. Lost back coupling. Now I have 5. Yeah. Next is the Capsule Playrail Renee.